If you work in accounting, AI isn't optional anymore, and most professionals were never trained for it. I'm not talking about robotics replacing jobs, but I'm talking about AI quietly showing up in tools we already use. Excel, workflow automation, documentation, analytics, it is changing how the work actually gets done. Across the profession, accounting and audit teams are becoming some of the fastest adopters of AI. Not because it is trendy, but because it saves time. You can summarize information faster, automate repetitive tasks, improve accuracy, and surface insights without spending hours digging through data. The professionals leaning into the shift are gaining a real advantage, while others are being left behind. But here is the challenge. Most of us were never formally taught how to use AI for tasks like analyzing a spreadsheet or writing reports. So within a traditional accounting education, you probably didn't learn how to integrate. And that is why I wanted to highlight Becker's new AI for Accounting and Auditing Certificate, because it addresses this gap directly. Becker is our #1 CPE provider because their program is built specifically for accounting professionals and focuses on application. It includes 4 expert-led, on-demand courses paired with hands-on modules. Now, inside the certificate, you cover foundational AI concepts relevant to accounting and audit work, using AI tools within Excel, developing strong prompting skills, and leveraging Microsoft Copilot to streamline workflows. When you complete the program, you earn 9 NASBA-approved CPE credits, along with a certificate and digital badge that you can share on your professional profiles. For professionals looking to stay ahead of where the industry is moving, structured training like this provides a clear path to build confidence and capability with AI. Now, AI is not replacing accountants, but accountants who understand AI are positioning themselves strongly for what comes next. So if you are thinking about how to focus your continuing education this year, developing AI literacy is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.